How to upload photos on Pinterest. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So before starting the video, make sure to update Pinterest to the latest version. After updating, open up Pinterest on a device. Now wait for some time. Now tap on the plus icon. Now select pin or collage. Now simply give the permissions. Tap on allow all. Now select the photo you want to upload. If you want to select multiple photos and tap on next. Now once you're done, simply tap on next at the top right corner. Now fill up the details and tap on create at the bottom right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.